Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clovis, local, and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers will deal with all things moving related for you. For more than 2 decades, our company has been providing customers with every service they will need for the big day. From packing to unpacking, our movers get the job done quickly. We arrive on time and ready to work for you. Customers won't be unpleasantly startled by the prices. Every service we offer is high quality and affordable, and you'll receive a free quote. Get 3 Movers to help you for your upcoming moving day. There's so much to see, and you're getting ready to discover a new state or country. This is an exciting trip for you, but you're starting to panic that your belongings won't be ready or safe for the trip. 3 Movers wants you to know that you have nothing to worry about. We have special packaging to protect your valuables, and after we load up our truck, we will be waiting for you at your new space. The towering trees that surround you continue to enchant you, and your next home or office space is nearby. Although you saved yourself some of the trouble of relocating far, you still need to move your stuff. Our movers are experts at getting customers packed and unpacked in one day. After only a few hours, you'll be able to get some fresh air and explore your new neighborhood. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clovis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.